Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we are going to install Police Right on this Prado J150. So I've already received my package. This is what I had ordered. As you can see, this is the control unit for the Police Right. Okay. Then we have this LED part. So this is the control unit for the Police Right. So we also have this switch that you can either turn on or off, and also the red button you can change the patterns of the lights. Okay, so this is the grill here. We are going to be installing in this grill. This is on Prado J150. Mostly we install this to parastatals and also high-end cars. Okay, so just like that, we have already installed the lights. You can see the patterns are several, so I'll be switching from one pattern to the other. In this, you need to be with the know-how of how to install electricals, so that you don't end up messing with the electrical parts of the car. So this, it's very easy to install. Okay, and just like that, the siren we have also installed. You will be hearing the sound of the siren and also the patterns as it goes throughout. Okay, so you see, I can change the patterns from there. From there, I can change the patterns. Very easy, but you can only use into high end. In case you need such service, you can reach out to get these and more services. I'm Kevin Auto Insider. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Thank you.